from that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask you, and I need your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about actors, actresses, producers promoting their songs while dancing? Yes, we've seen in the likes of Funke Akindele, other people do this, where when they come out with a movie, they dance for it just to promote it. Now, we have a Mutola who says that it is unprofessional and she doesn't see herself doing this. A lot of people have things to say, but let's take a look at the video.
This conversation about commercial success and marketing strategy and all of that, what would you... Do you have a marketing strategy for this?
Are you dancing and changing into different hoodies?
I'm sorry, I will not be doing the dancing. I'm very, very sorry. It's just not me. I dance. I love to dance. I'm sure a lot of us love to dance. I think the problem and the reason why a lot of people are kicking back at it is because you want to dance because you feel like it, not because you have to. There's a difference, okay? So there's nothing wrong with, oh, you know, you're promoting your movie and you guys are just having fun. That's different. But when it becomes a chore, when it becomes, oh, this is what you have to do to even sell a movie, it's not professional. I already did the project. You know, I should go around, talk about the project, promote the project, and then let the people whose job are.
A lot was said right there. That was Mutola Ajilade, and wow, I don't know what to say about that, but you guys have a lot to say, so let me know what you think in the comment section right there on our social media pages at MX24GH.